In today's video, I will walk you through how to make ElevenLabs yell without distortion. To create this effect, you'll need to use the latest V3 model. This model is designed to produce more dynamic and expressive speech while giving you greater control over how the voice delivers different emotions. It also provides more precision, allowing the speech to sound more natural even when the intensity increases. The key to making the voice yell without introducing distortion is to use tags. Instead of trying to force the voice to sound louder in other ways, the V3 model lets you include tags such as scream, shout, or yell directly in your prompt. These tags tell the model to naturally increase the intensity and volume of the speech, while keeping the output clean and easy to understand. When you're entering your text, include the appropriate tag wherever you want the voice to sound more intense. Using these tags allows the model to adjust the delivery instead of simply increasing the loudness, which helps prevent the harsh distortion that can happen with more traditional approaches. It's also important to place these tags carefully within your prompt. Position them only around the sections where you want the yelling or shouting effect to happen. This gives you much better control over which parts of the speech become more expressive, while allowing the rest of the voiceover to remain at its normal tone. Because the V3 model is built to handle expressive speech, it maintains a smooth listening experience even when the voice becomes much more energetic. The increased intensity sounds natural while preserving the overall audio quality. Whether you're creating dramatic dialogue, expressive narration, or any other project that requires stronger vocal delivery, using these tags gives you a reliable way to achieve that effect without sacrificing clarity. That's all there is to it. By using the V3 model together with the scream, shout, or yell tags, you can create voiceovers that sound much more powerful while avoiding unwanted distortion. Try placing the tags in different parts of your prompt, and compare the results until you find the delivery that best matches your project. With a little experimentation, you'll be able to create clear, expressive speech that sounds exactly the way you want. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.